Welcome to our beautiful showroom here at MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm showing you a 23 Sea Ray SPX. This is a beautiful boat. This one's going to be powered by our 200 Mercury 4-stroke. Very, very, very powerful motor. It's very quiet as well. Nice ladder for boarding easily when you're out at the sandbar or trying to get on from the beach. Go ahead and jump up here real quick, show you around. So this one in particular is going to be featured with our ivory interior. Also is going to have our snap down vinyl flooring. Very, very, very beautiful boat. This ivory interior is awesome. It will not get hot whatsoever. Fantastic boat for cruising around the intercoastal. If you want to bring 12 people out, you absolutely can. Plenty of seating on this boat. Also in the 23, you're going to get a small head. This one's featuring our digital dash. You can get standard gauges if you would like. Again, our infinity flooring. Man, this is a great boat. Definitely need to come out and check it out in person. My name's Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 813-424-6084. Have a great day.